Will these air fryer apple pie bites be your new go-to snack? Let's get cooking.
At only 26 calories per, you're gonna wanna give these a try. Start by peeling 2 Fuji apples. Fujis are one of the sweetest apples available, and since we aren't adding any sugar, we'll need some sweetness from the apples to come through. In case you missed it, I peeled that in one go. Can I do it again? I guess not. We need to chop these into bite-sized pieces. Because wonton wrappers are quite small, cutting these too big will make the stuffing part of this very complicated. Once both your apples are chopped, toss them in a tall pot. We're gonna stew these apples, so season them with 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Add in 2 tablespoons of water, give it a good mix, and let's head over to the cooktop. Place your pot over low heat and allow it to cook for 10 minutes, stirring regularly. As these apples start to break down, they're gonna take on the flavor from the spices as well as release some of their liquids. Combining that with the maple syrup, it'll start to thicken up into a beautiful thick sauce, and these apple pieces will start to taste like apple pie. You could stop here and serve this over some oatmeal or with granola to make a mock apple crisp, but we're gonna make some apple pie bites, so let's get this off the heat and over to our workspace for the assembly line. But first, we need to finish preparing our apples. We're gonna pour this out and into a bowl to help them cool down. To thicken up our sauce further, add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is gonna bind it all together and make a caramel-like consistency. Last thing we have to do to finish our prep is to separate 1 egg white and make an egg wash by adding in about a teaspoon of water and giving it a good whisk. Grab your wonton wrappers and it's time to assemble. Lay 1 wonton wrapper down and scoop in 1 teaspoon of your apple pie filling. Dip your finger in the egg wash and lay a strip around the entire edge. Fold it over and seal it shut. Voila! Lay it into your air fryer basket and repeat the process until you have as many as you'd like. This recipe makes about 40, so keep that in mind if you're thinking of getting this done quickly. It took a few tries, but I eventually got the right amount scooped out for each one and was able to pump these out a little bit quicker. Fill your air fryer basket and then give these a little spritz with some non-stick cooking spray. Place them in your preheated 375-degree air fryer for 6 to 8 minutes and cook until they are golden and crispy. Once cooked, remove from the basket and top with a healthy dose of Swerve confectioner sugar, a 0-calorie powdered sugar. And oh my, look at these things. It's like an apple pie in your mouth with every bite, and they're only 26 calories each. Come on. This has got to be one of my greatest creations yet.
And that's it for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Go do it right now. I put a couple videos up here I think you're gonna enjoy. And until next time, get cooking.